We're doing name that part.
Dude, sir.
His mistake.
What? Now what are we doing?
I gotta identify some parts, so I gotta go get it.
Ooh, this is fun.
I gotta go get a
They
sheet. real
they do
quick.
this on YouTube, you know.
What?
You have to identify things.
Yeah.
So wait. We're gonna identify some things. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here we go. What's this?
So that would be our that's our power steering right there.
Is that your final answer?
No.
Okay.
Let me look at the label actually.
That's wise. Hey, who are you flashing in there?
So this is the battery first off.
Oh, nice. Nicely done. Hey, who's flashing in there?
Filler.
We're doing name that part.
It doesn't say, but I'm guessing that's brake fluid.
Yeah, very good. Do you know what the part would be under here?
Under there?
Yeah.
Isn't
You're
that?
probably not gonna get it. I'll just tell you. That's the master cylinder.
Yeah.
There's a cylinder that goes into your brake pedal, and that's the booster power brakes.
This is the alternator right here,
Ooh, very good.
and the alternator belt right there.
As if.
It's actually not just an alternator belt.
But it goes down and
Back in the day, it would have been just one belt for each component, but now it's called a what belt?
starts with an R.
It's about routing. This is the serpentine belt. Serpentine belt right there.
Oh, nice.
Okay,
What's next, sir?
what's this part?
Air filter.
Ooh, very good. What's this part?
That's the windshield wiper fluid.
Very good. What is underneath here?
Underneath here. Right there.
These big hoses go to it.
Oh,
These
that
big hoses go from here to the motor.
is that the radiator?
Yeah.
Yeah, radiator. Here.
What's this part?
Oh, that would be that one's pretty big. I believe that's the coolant storage.
Yep. Reservoir.
Yep.
What is this piece here?
Ooh, that's a big.
There's a cable connected to it.
Oh, here's our power steering. Right
There it is, huh?
Yeah.
So we're back to this one.
Ooh, that's the engine head. I don't know, sir.
Throttle body.
Oh, hey, we
That-
need to know about that. Actually,
That's where you know where that cable goes?
no.
There's two cables. You know why there's two cables? One goes to your accelerator pedal, and then the other one goes. That cable is driven by your cruise.
Oh, this is a fuse box, by the way.
Very good. You did very well in name that part.
Yeah.
That's cold. Cracks and sacks and puddles. I got in-shot. I can.
Burnt that.
Victory. Back on.
Oh, now I gotta figure this out.
Hey, little man. You're on video.
I did it.
Oh, I didn't catch it. You have to do it again.
Okay.
You got slapped. Ah!
Oh, I gotta first try that time. So you take this,
You know.
you know, and then you go like this, then you do this,
You know.
you know. Just slide it up on there, you know. Make sure it clicks, you know. I believe so. No.
Oh, it's soaking wet.
It's on there. She's on there. I'll tell you, she's on there. So now we take this thing and we put it right back there.
Hey, no.
Name that part. What are you
Part
looking
two.
for?
Transmission dipstick.
This one's gonna be tough.
She's down in there somewhere.
When would you have a transmission dipstick?
To check your transmission oil.
What kind of transmission?
A manual. And
A
this
manual?
one, automatic. Oh, so we'll have to go over to this beauty over here.
Why are you going over to this one?
This one's an automatic.
Okay, why wouldn't a manual have one?
Because it's manual.
Because it's not an automatic transmission.
So I'll bring you over here. So the Jeep, since it's a manual, does not have a transmission fluid. The automatic van, it's too cheap to have a transmission fluid.
Dipstick.
Yep. So now we're out here, found a dipstick. It's gotta be one of these.
Mm-hmm.
It's this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is your transmission. Right here. Dipstick.
Wait until you pull it out.
It goes very far down. Oh.
Why do you think it's so long?
Because it's going all the way to the transmission. And this is a big bus, I tell you. You need a transmission fluid change there, sir.
Why?
It's dark.
What does it smell like? Stink? Does it smell like transmission fluid?
I don't know. I can't smell. I'm pretty sick right now.
It is kind of stinky. We should probably get that changed.
Dipstick. We do not have dipstick. Wrong one. That's the filler. I'm sorry. Here's the dipstick.
You're gonna check the oil, right?
Yes, sir. So, she's not that bad, but she's getting a little dark.
We gotta wipe it off and then you put it back in. You went all the way down?
Yes, sir. She's dark.
Where is it at? Turn the dipstick around. The other side.
Just below safe. So
Needs a little, huh?
Looks like we're adding a little bit of oil today.
Component.
Right here. No, wait, that's the piston. I'm dumb.
Yeah.
I'm dumb. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's it going to?
Air,
What's that?
air conditioning part.
What's that component called? Name that part!
Sorry, sir. I did not know that.
Come on. Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Compressor.
Oh, yeah, I knew that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's it going to? The hose.
This hose?
Yeah.
It's going to the radiator.
In front of the radiator.
Yeah.
What's that called?
The grill. This is the grill.
Okay, what's the hose going to? Name that part!
The cooling
Cooling. Condenser.
condenser, same thing.
Yeah, same thing.
Air conditioning components keeps you cool in the cab. What else can I say?
Whoa.
That battery right here runs
How many
like
volts?
24.
I have it, but I'm not giving it to you.
Oh, I was way off.
Half of that.
12.
Mm-hmm.
That was very stupid. Okay.
I'm not giving
24
it to you.
volts is an outlet.
How many volts is an outlet?
No.
Outlet?
12. No, 5. 6.
It's AC. Alternating current,
I don't remember.
which means it's a lot higher because this is DC.
Oh, 126.
120,
4.
120.
Oh, 120. Oh, my bad. Anyways,
You've
we're not
become
on
an
that.
electrician now too.
Yeah. Mainly used for the starting component.
Where's the starter?
Starter would be somewhere around here.
You want to try that again or no? What does the starter turn to turn the motor over? The engine starter cranks something over to move the motor to start firing the pistons. Starter would be turning what? The flywheel.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the flywheel connected to turn the pistons?
Crankshaft.
Yeah!
This, it goes to your alternator,
Yep.
your AC.
Yep.
Oh, let's see. What else? Crankshaft.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Helps you steer better.
power steering.
Yo! Yeah!
Your alternator. This puppy right here. Running that electricity. So
Yeah,
that
how many-
that battery
No.
charge up. We're checking the depths of this tread on this beautiful tire here.
Okay, let's see it.
So, we make sure it's down. Stick a ride on in there. Yeah. 1.
Probably not very good, is it?
Hmm?
It's probably not very good, huh?
Says 1. Yeah, it's probably not very good.
What's it? What would be a good depth, you think?
8.
How about you check the one behind you? Those are snow tires on the van. On the war wagon.
Yeah. Sheesh, that's a good 4.5, I'm guessing.
Let me see.
4.5.
Let us see what you have. 4.
Yeah.
So that's quite a bit of difference between the two, isn't it?
That one probably needs a tire change.
What are we looking for now?
So we're looking for any nails, glass, screws, cracks, tears, bulges, or others. These tires, they don't have them.
The spare.
See, this one's, she's pretty band spanking new. And she's almost a 10. She's a 9.
Woo!
That's a pretty neat one.
Now we are checking the tire size on the Jeep Liberty. How about you look at this tire? You don't have to bend over then.
Oh, that was...
Clean. No crying. Your Jeep up there? Do you want the Jeep? That's Barbie's Jeep. You can't have it. You should start with like a 235.
Oh. 235, 70R16.
So what size is the wheel?
70. Or 16.
Yep. The 70 is what?
Tire pressure.
The 70 is the overall height.
Oh,
from
nice.
Here to there.
Nice.
The 235 is what?
Diameter.
Of the wheel.
Yeah.
Or, sorry. Of the tire.
Yeah. Alright. So are the tread wear bars? Even with the surface of tread, less than 1/16 of tread remaining. We just did that. That is true. There's signs of unusual tread. No. There's just not much left. Are any of the tire worn more than the others? Nope.
What the spare?
Well, yeah, but like that's a spare, so. Should a tire rotation be recommended? No.
How about a tire replacement?
Yes. And are all the lug nuts found on each wheel? Yes. The fan shroud right here.
Oh, very good.
And then we got the hood latch. It's pretty neat. It pulls on your hood.
That's mine.
2.
One is mine, one is yours.
Style of radiator
Can you
fans.
please hand me
Dual
mine?
radiator.
Oh, there's dual, yeah, but the style or the, let's say, component, the type.
Output and input.
No, there's electric
Oh,
and there's an clutch fan.
Was this yours?
this
So
one,
which one does this have?
clutch.
I don't know. You'd have to look. I don't even know if I know. See, it doesn't even need a shroud. Look. It doesn't even need a shroud. A shroud is typically for a clutch
Right.
fan. It's an electric fan in there.
Wow. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, pretty neat. Okay,
The more you know.
that's it on Name That Part.